had absolutely nothing to do today. Hey, Kayla, you wanna watch some TV with me? No, I'm already watching a movie. What are you watching? Frozen? Always watching that boring movie. That's the door. I hope it's my new skirt that I ordered.
Package, ma'am.
Thank you. What is this? What does it say? YouTube. YouTube. Huh. I wonder what this is. I'm bringing it inside. Mommy, we got a package. We got a package and it says YouTube on it.
Oh my gosh. Do you know what that is, Danielle?
No.
Well, it's a reward for reaching 100,000 subscribers.
Oh yeah, the YouTube play button. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Yay, it's so cool. Can we open it?
Of course, we have to open it. This is so
Hey,
cool.
the play button's here. Woohoo!
Guys, today I have Danielle with me, and what came in the mail? That's right, our YouTube play button. So, a YouTube play button, if you don't know what it is, it's a reward that you get from YouTube for reaching 100,000 subscribers. So here it is. It's in the box right now, of course. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. And thank you guys so much for 100,000 subscribers. So I reached it, I'm pretty sure on April 13th. I'm not quite sure, but maybe I think I reached 100K like maybe 2 weeks ago. So I'm so happy that the play button is finally here. Play button. That looks so amazing. Okay, so we gotta be very gentle with this. I'm just gonna rip off the plastic. Here it is, guys, and you can see through here because it's silver. It's like a mirror. So cool. So it says, presented to Mariams Nursery for passing 100,000 subscribers by YouTube. I could not have done this without you guys. This is so amazing. Thank you all so much for 100,000 subscribers. This is amazing. Look at how beautiful it is. So thank you guys so much.
Alright guys, look, our play button is here. Wow. What do you guys say? Thank you all so much. We couldn't have done it without you guys. That's right, we couldn't have done it without you guys. I think we have to celebrate now, right guys? Yeah, let's go to the beach.
Alright guys, so we are now at the beach and we have all of these cute girls dressed up in their adorable Hawaiian outfits because we are having a Hawaiian party, and of course I have some of the other babies. We're just gonna have some fun at the beach.
So we have Macy, Danielle, Brittany, and Megan. They all look really cute in their Hawaiian outfits. They're so cute. And what are we gonna do? Eat food and have fun. Really nice party. We have food, and we have the other babies over here. Guys, look at our mermaids. We have Wendy, Maggie, and Victoria, and they are mermaids. And we have little Gabby, Hannah, Jill, Angel, Kayla, Bailey, Cassie, Josh, and Ben, all having fun in the sand. I'm gonna take them in the water later, but right now I need to get these girls. Hey guys, are you guys hungry? Yeah. Okay, well we have hot dogs, fries, pretzels, soda. You guys want? Yeah. Girls, some food in the food bike. Oops, the soda fell. Okay, you guys want soda? Yeah. I want the red soda. Okay, we'll pour it into your cup. Look at all this yummy food. There's hot dogs. Let's give you a hot dog, Megan. Ooh, that looks tasty. Guys, let's play. Let's have fun. I'm thinking that we can bury somebody. Yeah, let's bury someone. Who wants to get buried? Okay, let's bury Angel. Are you gonna put it all over my body? Yeah. Never mind. Serious. Hannah, do you want to get buried? Buried? Of course I do. Come on. Just do not get in my hair, okay? Alright. We're gonna bury Hannah. You're burying Hannah? Okay, I'll help out. Yeah, we're trying to dig a hole. That's great. Good job, guys. Yeah, and then can we play in the water? Yes. So Megan's got her food. She got some watermelon, a hot dog, and some french fries here. Cup keeps falling over, but she has the orange soda next to her, so she can fill when she's ready. Macy has a grape soda with her. She has her hot dog and watermelon and a cute cup. has hot dog, watermelon, and her cute cup, and her and Brittany are gonna share the red soda, right?
Yep.
And they're gonna have ice cream after this.
Yeah, when the ice cream bike comes out.
Yeah. What about you, Brittany?
I got a corn dog.
That's right, she loves corn dogs. And yeah, you guys having a great time?
Yeah, the weather's really good. Yeah, Mommy, look, the hole is ready. Now we just have to put it out of the sand.
Cool, can I help?
Yeah, Mommy's gonna do it. Mommy, you do it.
You want me to do all of it?
Okay. Yeah. Oh, ew, sand. Okay. It's definitely gonna get in my hair. I didn't want it, but it's okay.
It's okay, we'll wash your hair, it's alright.
Okay. Ah! Don't get it in my mouth. Whoa, Hannah, you're totally getting buried.
Yeah, this is easy. Look at you, Hannah. Does anybody else want to join in with her?
I'll join.
Okay, come here. You can sit right there, but you're not really buried. You want me to just stick you in?
Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
Can you move a little bit, Wendy? Or actually, no, you're fine.
Oh, okay, sorry.
It's alright. There we go. Oh, you look covered.
Ah, my face! Wow, we're covered. We're buried in sand.
Wow, that looks nice, guys. Good job.
Haha, you guys are buried and we're not letting you out. We can let ourselves out.
Let me just cover up Hannah's swimsuit. There you go.
Yeah, look. They buried.
Do you want to dig them out?
Yeah. You're tickling me. Ah, come on, Gabby, you can do it.
Hang on a little bit. Come on, guys. Now you guys can get out. There you go.
Ah, that was epic. Oh, I'm covered in sand. Can I go in the water now, please?
Yeah, you and Cassie can go in the water. Oh, there you go. You guys are very sandy. There you go. In the water, three beautiful mermaids.
Yeah, we want to go in the water.
Okay, I'll let you guys in the water in a minute. You guys having fun?
Sun tanning, Mommy. That's what it's called. I want to look like very tan, but I'm naturally tan.
That's right.
But I don't care. I want to be tan, so I'm trying to tan.
All right, whatever you say.
Hot dog. So cute, Macy. Thank you.
I love your skirt and your orange flower necklace, and you have your flower crown. So pretty. You too, Danielle. I love the pink.
Yep, I'm all dressed in pink.
And Brittany with all your different colors, and Megan with the purple and the pink. You look great. Now, I'm gonna let the other babies in the water. And any of you guys want to go in the water?
No.
Okay, well, there's a guitar if anybody wants to play.
Ooh, I want to play. You look so nice.
I love your skirt. Very cute. You guys all look really cute.
So what do we do after we eat?
Well, the ice cream bike, actually, not the food bike. The ice cream bike is coming really soon, like maybe in 10 minutes. So I'm going to take some of the girls in the water for a little bit, and then when you come back, you guys can get ice cream.
Yay, and then we can dance, have a party.
We're next to the water, and how do you guys like the water?
It's kind of cold.
Yeah, but look at the beautiful mermaids. You guys look so cute, and Hannah and Cassie just need to wash off, and they're going to have some fun. Look at the sand, Cassie.
Ah, Mommy!
Sorry.
Can we go in the water, like actually go in?
Okay, you guys want to jump in?
We're just gonna stay, okay?
Oh, you guys just want to stay and sit?
Yeah.
Hey, oh no, guys! Okay, here, let me help you guys up. Are you guys alright?
Yeah, we're okay. We just didn't want to get super wet.
Alright, you guys are fine.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm alright. Just really, really wet. I'll lay down.
Yeah, it's better if you guys just lay down. There you go. water's coming. Ooh. Get closer. Wow, look at that wave. Whoa. Where did Wendy go? Oh, there you are, Wendy. Wendy, are you alright? I got sand on my face. Okay, let's pick you up. Wow, that's fun. I like doing this. You like it? Okay, look, there's a big wave. Watch out. Ah! Okay, let me go get Maggie. Maggie is going away. Okay, guys, so I'm going to bring some of the other babies to come play in the water. So come on, guys, let's go back. Okay, that was fun. Guys, we got the rest of the babies here. We got Lulu. Oh my God, Lulu, you're covered in sand. Yeah, I don't like the sand. Gabby, your swimsuit is falling. Yeah, I know. Kayla and Angel are right. You ready, guys? Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Mommy! Ah! Josh, come on, Josh, look. Whoa! Ah! I like the waves. Oh no. Ah! Got you. Mommy, this is fun. Look. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Josh, come here. I'm trying to stay. The waves are taking me. Look, Josh. Whoa. Oh, it's a big one. Ah. The water's really salty. I know. You want to sit down? Yeah. There you go. I'm going to bury you in there. Ah! Never mind. Should have buried you. Ah! There's a big one. Whoa. I'm going to try to bury you in. There you go. Ah! Mommy! Me and Gabby are going to try out the water. Well, Gabby's going to try out the water, so I have to go with her. So let me just fix your bathing suit. Here you go. Just pull that. Perfect. Gabby, come on. Yay, go inside. Ah, there's a lot of water. Mommy, there's too much water. Mommy! It's okay, Gabby. Mommy! It's okay, Gabby. It's just the water. It's moving me. Whoa, first of all. Well, Gabby, I guess she doesn't really like it. It's scary. Okay, I'm going to go with you. Look. Whee, you like that? Big wave. Good call. I'm going to carry you now. We're going to go in the water. Gabby, look. Oh, the waves are way too big. Okay. We're going to sit down right here. Oh, my God. Look, guys. Me and Gabby. So some ice cream. There's some kids that look like they would like some ice cream. It's like a luau party. This looks nice. Hey, guys. Ice cream. Oh, hi. Would they like ice cream? Yeah, they can have. All right, perfect. We got lots of ice cream. You guys look really cute. Yeah, we're having a luau party. That's nice. Come on, pick out an ice cream. It's only $1. First, can I have that swirly ice cream? I'll get it for you. My hands are really sandy, but here we go. Try not to touch it. There you go. Thank you. Oh, it looks so good. Thanks, Mom, and thank you, Bike Ice Cream Lady. You're welcome. I want that big pink ice cream. This one? Yeah. There you go, Danielle. Oh, that looks awesome. Yummy. Can I look inside the cart? Yes, you can. Sorry if my hands are super sandy. It's all right. Let's see what Brittany wants. Ooh, there's a blueberry ice cream. You want blueberry? Yes, I love blueberry. Okay, I need you to sit down, though. So here you go. Let me get you this one. This looks good. Here, take your guitar. Let's put it on your placemat. And we'll have you... Oh, Brittany, you don't fall. Okay, sit right there. You sit there. Perfect. And I'll give you your ice cream. Here you go, Brittany. Thanks, Mommy. For you. Do you want vanilla and chocolate ice cream? Yeah, is it soft serve? Yes, it is. There you go. Let me get it for you. That looks good. There you go.